back to my channel. My name is Mo and welcome to a new video. So guys, in today's video we're just gonna be chilling. I don't really have much to do or whatever. I just got out the shower. I'm getting ready for my day. I already took my kids to school or whatever, dropped them off this morning. I went to pick up some paperwork for my doctor, and then I came back home. Now I'm just taking my shower, getting ready for my day. So I was like, oh, let me do a video. My morning, pretty much not my morning routine per se, because there's a lot I already did. I wake up since 6 o'clock this morning. But I basically just finished. I just got out the shower. It is hot because I'm always taking hot showers. I don't care if it's the middle of summer. I'm gonna take me a hot shower. I can't take cold. I hate cold water. Anywho, so for today I haven't eaten yet, so I might show you guys what I'm going to be eating for breakfast. I don't know what that is as yet because I'm not really that hungry. I think it's because I'm in my third trimester, whatever the case is, and there's not much room in my belly. So I'm not really that much hungry. I normally eat it's funny because when I was at work, by the time I sit down at my desk, I'm ready to eat, and it's like it'd be like 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm ready to eat. But now it's like I'm home and I'm able to eat, but whenever, but I don't eat until like 11-12 because that's when I start feeling hungry. And on top of that, I have to consume a lot of water. So me waking up and drinking like 24 ounces of water or more, it's kind of like hard to go and eat after that. So anywho guys, so right now I am on preterm leave from work, which is like my company gives 4 weeks before your due date to take off and, you know, get ready for your birth or whatever the case is. And then so right now that's what I'm on, and I'm waiting to give birth, and then we have our maternity leave after, and then after maternity leave we have parental leave. So that accumulates to about 20 weeks. So I don't think I'll go back to work until like end of July or something like that for the most part. For the earliest I go back to work is July. So, and if I decide to take my parental leave, I will be going back maybe like September or something like that. Anywho, I just I was gonna show you guys what I what I put on my face or whatever, but that video didn't work out. This is like my second time I'm doing this video, and then it was better. But I was rambling, so I was like, yeah, no, you don't need to know all that. Anywho, as I said, preterm leave, and a couple weeks before I went on leave, I so happened to have got a promotion at work. So I was in the middle of training when I had to leave. So I'm trying to continue with my training. I have access to inside my job, because you know everything, you know, some job everything is like, I don't know how to describe it. People who work certain job or work from home, they know what I'm talking about. So you're able to get in on inside of the company resources and stuff like that from your home once you have a VPN and stuff like that. So anyway, so I'm still able to do that. So I've been trying to continue with my training, so I'm gonna be doing some of that today, and I also have some unboxing to do. So I will be showing you guys. I got some delivery yesterday. I got like 2 boxes delivery yesterday of baby stuff. So I will show you guys what came in the box in a little while. And yeah, so basically let me show you guys my belly. Whew. It's shiny, right? This is what I use on my belly. It don't have no stretch mark, but I had stretch mark ever since I had my first baby. So that don't bother me now. At first, so I use this on my tummy and it helps. Yeah, and as I was saying, I had stretch marks since I had my first baby at 18 years old. I used to have nightmares that my whole body was going to be like covered in stretch marks. And then now I'm like, I'm older now. I'm like, oh well, it is what it is. And you know, you see how clear my belly look? When I finish having this baby, my belly is going to be so dark. If you know, you know. And I'm not even really bothered about it as much as I was when I was younger. I've been with it for the last 18 years. It'll be fine. My oldest son is 18 years old, so it'll be fine. And one thing about, just a little update on this pregnancy, I have, this has been my hardest pregnancy, of course, because I am older. And one thing I experienced during this pregnancy is the itchy skin. And I'm like, what the heck? I used to be using St. Ives body wash and then use Jergen lotion. That would not help me at all. And then somebody suggests, my doctor actually told me to use calamine lotion, but I didn't. I bought the Aveeno. I got this from, I think, Ross or something. And I bought it and it really did help. Like I started using this and then the body wash, Aveeno body wash too, and it helped with the itchy skin. For a couple months I was like, oh my god, I can't stop itching. I even went to the hospital because I was so itchy, and then they were like, oh, you might need to use, it's just your hormones or whatever the case is. So yeah, but anywho, let me start rambling. I'm gonna finish getting dressed and then I'm gonna show you guys what got delivered yesterday. It's some stuff for me and I think some of the last of the stuff for the baby. The only thing that I have to get is I do want a chair for my breastfeeding, or something to just sit on if I don't want to sit on the bed and breastfeed, or if I'm lounging around the bedroom for the day, I don't want to be just like laying on my bed. I want a chair to sit on. So, and I have a little bit of room to put the chair, so I want to get that, and it's not that expensive. It's only like $39 or $34 or something like that. So that's the last thing for me to get. So yeah guys, I catch up with you guys in a little bit when I finish getting ready. And I said I wasn't gonna drink water, but I'm thirsty now, so I have to go get water. So hey guys, welcome back. I'm about to do this unboxing. I still don't feel hungry, so I was feeling a little bit thirsty. Ooh. Whew. I'm not sure what is in this box, but it is my cover for my Mama Roo. For Mom's Mama Roo. And I got the Mama Roo from Target a couple weeks ago. I just haven't unboxed it yet. I've been contemplating whether I need it or not, because I do have a I do have a bouncer, so I was like, do I really need it? But then I really do like it, and I feel like it only goes up to 25 pounds, but I was like, you know what? I could always resell it. I'm going to take really good care of it and resell it. Now, the week that I bought it, the reason why I bought it, it was, at first when I was looking at it, it was like $239. And I was like, I'm not getting that. But then one day I look at it and it was $167 plus tax. And then it came up to like $175. So I was like, I'm gonna get it. But then I bought I think the reason why it was $167 is because it was, this one is a black one. The bottom of it is black, And then, so I was like, oh, maybe that's why it's so cheap. And then I was like, I don't want a black. So then I went on Amazon and I saw they have a cover for it. So when I had a buy it, and it is, they say it really help with newborns especially. So it do have, it's a reversible. Well, it's supposed to be reversible. I'm pretty sure that's what it said. But then this is here. So I guess I could just, when I'm using it on this side, I could just put it in the back. And then when I'm using it on this side, I could put this. You know what I'm saying? And it goes perfect. Because they have gray on this side. I could keep it on gray, or I could keep it on this color. And then it protects the swing itself. So it won't be much wear and tear. Like how much a infant's gonna, a newborn gonna do. And as I said, this only goes up to 25 pounds. So it's not gonna last very long. But, you know what I'm saying? 25 pounds or until the baby could sit up on its own or whatever. Can it sit up on its own? Something like that. But yeah, guys, this is the first thing I got. It needs to be washed. So I'm going to put it back in the box for now. And then my second box is going to, let's see. So this is the it's 3 sets. Oh, and the Mamaru cover, this was I think $34. So I don't think it was that bad. And this is the washable and waterproof for the changing pad. So it has a cover on it, but I didn't want to use it just in case the baby have a blowout or whatever the case is. So you could just spread this on there and you could change it out because it's 3 in a pack. It came 3 in a pack for $9.99. So yeah, this needs to be washed as well. So yeah, I'm gonna have these washed. I have a few stuff to wash, so. Then the third thing I got was, as I said, maternity dress, and I got white. I'm gonna have some picture done with me and my daughters. So, and they have white dress. Oh my God. I think I got this like $30. Hopefully it's long enough, but we'll see. And then I ordered a second dress as well from Shein. It's a longer dress, so we'll see. Yeah, so that's basically it. It's very stretchy. I don't know. I have to try it on. And then if I wear this, I won't say what I'm gonna do, but no comment. And then, as I said, I got a shelf, and this will be my breastfeeding station. So I put all my breastfeeding stuff on there, and then once I get my chair, I will show you guys. But I'm gonna put this up today. And if I don't buy my chair, because the chair is like, I want the chair, but it's like, after I finish breastfeeding, then what? Maybe I could sell it. Because it's not a glider or anything. It's just a regular, what do you call that chair? Reclinable chair or whatever. But yeah, so guys, that's it for now. And then I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. As I say, I'm going to go do some training for my job. And yeah. And then I just lounge around the house until it's time for me to go get my kids. I don't know. If I decide to eat something, I might show you guys what I'm going to eat for my first meal and then close out this video. told you guys that I was just using this for now. So I'm about to get this out. And the good thing about it, I already have a plug here. So my breast pump could go there. My chair is going to be there. Of course, my breast pump still needs to be sterilized and all that good stuff. This I'm probably not going to keep in here, but I could put it here for right now. I got my water bottle. Can I put it here? Nope. Yeah, guys, this is my little breast pump station. And you guys already had an overview of the room. Now I could pack what I need to come finish packing inside my rolling cart. Guys, I end up I made oatmeal, something fast, and I'm about to watch TV. So I think the training maybe later or tomorrow, maybe. I still have time to do it, so I'm also here, eat my oatmeal, watch TV. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can know each time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye.